Hello friends, welcome to the Tech channel. So friends, today I will talk about Zephyr X VK Valkyrie GeForce RTX 4080 Super. So friend, Zephyr and VK Valkyrie has collaborated on a very high custom GeForce RTX 4080 Super graphics card model and revealed a teaser video. And friend, that chunky slot design consists of a substantial heatsink covered by an RGB add-on silver shroud and metallic backplate with an AIO liquid cooling solution. A 280 radiator is hooked up with the card via twin wide braided tubes. A rear firing 12 VHP WR connector provide an elegant means of semi-concealing your 90-degree power cable if need be, and professional video include benchmark results generated by 3D Mark Speedway, Times by Extreme, and 5-strike Ultra Zooms. And Zephyr claimed that the limited edition GeForce RTX 4080 Super model was cool enough to not exceed 52 degrees Celsius during a heavy fun mark session, and the company recommended the interested parties to check its social media account for further announcement. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.